most of the dark. 2 by 2 their bodies become one. I see you through the smoky air. Can't you feel the weight of my stare? You're so close but still no words away. What I'm dying to say is that I'm crazy for you. Touch me once and you know it's true. I never wanted anyone like this. It's so brand new. You feel it in my kiss. I'm crazy for you. Crazy for you. Trying hard to naman kasi kaya ko siya binili. My birthday is my best friend. My best friend. Madalas ko siya pinapakain ng birdseed. Mahal kita, oh birdie ko, huwag ka lalayo. Don't touch my birdie. Don't touch my birdie. Resist temptation, please. You don't have to touch my birdie. Just go ahead. Ko'y nakakatuwa, parang cobra na mahilig mantuka. Kapag inilabas na mula sa kulungan, tuloy-tuloy na ang aming kasiyahan. Di naman ako madamo talaga. Ayaw ko lang na hinahawakan siya ng iba. Medyo masungit, konting hawak lang, siguradong magagaling. Don't touch my birdie. Don't touch my birdie. Resist temptation, please. You don't have to grab my birdie. Just go there. It will go. Kung ang birdie ko ay aking hihimasin, sana'y maunawaan mo. Mahal na mahal mo, pati mga itlog ito. Don't touch my birdie. Don't touch my birdie. Resist temptation, please. You don't have to grab my birdie. Just go ahead. It will come. between